Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw USDC from Mexc exchange. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing you need to do is to open your Mexc exchange. Once you have logged into your Mexc account, now you just have to tap on the wallets at the bottom right corner. After that, here you will find a withdraw option. Simply tap on this withdraw button. Now from this list of currencies, in the search bar you have to search for USDC and simply select USDC coin. Now you just need to select a withdrawal method, so simply tap on on-chain withdrawal. Here you will need to enter your withdrawal address. After that, select a network. Now after that, enter the amount of USDC you want to withdraw from your Mexc exchange. Now you have to choose an exchange or wallet in order to deposit these USDC coin in that particular exchange. So I will simply select Binance exchange. So simply open your Binance. Once you have logged into your Binance account, you just have to tap on the assets button at the bottom right corner. After that, click on this add funds button. Now here you will find on-chain deposit button at the top. Click on it. Now from this list of currencies, in the search bar, search for USDC, and after that you just need to select the upper version of USDC. Now you just need to select a network, so you can select a network according to your requirements, but in this video I will select Binance Smart Chain. And before that, always make sure to select same network on both sides or you will lose your fund. Simply tap on this network, and after that here you will find your USDC deposit address. Simply tap copy to copy this address. Now you have to reopen your Mexc exchange. Now you just have to paste this address here in withdrawal address, and after that select a network. So simply select same network, so I will click on Binance Smart Chain. After selecting a network, enter the USDC amount. Once you fill all this information, you just have to tap confirm button. After that, it will take up to 5 to 10 minutes to transfer your USDC coin into that particular exchange or wallet. And that's it. Now you know how to withdraw USDC from Mexc exchange. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.